Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Brianna K here from a super long hiatus. I am so glad to finally be back with way more content. So I'm just looking forward to sharing it with you. I'm showing you in this video how I do a moisturizing routine. Recently I've been suffering from a lot of dandruff, a lot of dry scalp, flakes, itchiness. And this routine has actually really helped me sort of combat that. So I just start off with parting my hair in half. I put one side into a rubber band and I leave the other side loose. I was filming myself with this little ponytail, you know, I was like, oh, she cute, she cute. So next I'm doing a smell test to see if this is actually rose water. It is. So I just wet my hair with that. I use that instead of regular water. Next I go in with Jane Carter's Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner. Then I section my hair into the layers that I will be cornrowing later on. And I just spritz between them. And then all over, run my fingers through it, finger combing. Next I use Sisterlocks Moisture Treatment. I've been using this a lot recently. My mom had it from her install packet and she never used it, so I've been kind of testing it out to see what's going on with it. My hair's been super duper dry and it's been expanding a lot and it's very clearly in its little teenage phase, so it's unruly and sometimes a mess, but I like it a little bit. I definitely think there's probably something that's a better consistency and more moisturizing for my hair, but I think for now it works. So next I'm using the black castor oil and the lavender scent, and I just put that from the tips all the way up to the roots. Next I'm using Jane Carter's Quench Curl Hydrator. This has been a true staple, like I have been using this since legitimately day one, and it's a favorite of mine. So now it's time for cornrowing. I will let you guys know in advance, disclaimer, I am not a cornrowing pro, but I've actually gotten a lot better since I've been doing this. Like I literally could not do a cornrow before like a few weeks ago when I started doing this whenever I wanted to moisturize my hair, and they actually came out pretty good in this video, so bear with me. So I'm just cornrowing back. I wish I knew how to describe it, but it really is something you just have to like feel out. I don't even think anybody taught me. I just kind of figured it out over time. Oh, also let me know below if you like this makeup look. I actually recorded a little bit of a tutorial on it and I've been really wanting to drop it, but I just want to make sure that I will actually have some interest in a makeup look. So yeah, let me know. Alright, so that's looking good. Let's get to the next one. Parting my hair again. I'm going to do 3 cornrows. So I'm just twisting out the top part so that it's not in the way as I do the middle. Spraying it with Jane Carter. Adding, oh my god. Alright, well take 2. I'm adding the lavender to the Sisterlocks moisture treatment. And I'm just running it over, finger detangling. And now on to the cornrowing. This one looks really good too. Like, maybe I am a cornrow pro. Oh, nope, some got left out. Every time. You know what I actually do? Sometimes when they get left out, I just twirl them around the braid that it was supposed to go into, and it'll come out with this really nice spiral curl. Alright, so I'm just going to make sure I moisturize my edges. I used the lavender black castor oil. That's how I got my edges popping and resuscitated them from the dead. Next, I'm using the anti-itch oil treatment. This is actually the oil that my consultant suggested, and I just put that through my roots. Kind of keeps them from getting dry and itchy, especially when my braids are a little tight, which happens. So I'm back to cornrowing, and I'm just going to speed this up for you guys because you know how to cornrow at this point, right? You got it? Alright, so we're just cornrowing. I'm chatting away. And now we're done. Ooh, giving you that look. Alright, so I slept. Yes, I woke up like this. Ooh, she cute. She better go. Okay, y'all. Let's get into this. Alright, so smell test. It's rose water once again. Spraying that all over my head. I make the craziest faces when I'm spraying stuff. Alright, and you see them curls coming out. They popping. Ooh, I'm feeling myself. Oh my god, I have a big piece of lint. Well, anyways, it came out. They popping, she popping, and curls popping. Look, I got a big nice spiral in the front. Alright, so one half done, feeling myself as you can see, and then I'm on to the next side, and it really came out good. It was just immaculate. Alright, what's next? Sometimes I forget this step, but it's actually super important. Wet your edges before. Sometimes I'll just be like, oh whatever, my edges are nice, and I go right in with the gel. But then sometimes they be crackly or they don't set right. But when you go in with the water first, it just makes everything so smooth. It's maybe I do have soft baby hairs. So that's the tea, that's the secret, y'all. We gotta wet them. Trying to make my curl. Sometimes it'll be a little too curly. Oh, the most important step. You must wipe off your forehead. So important. Don't let yourself start breaking out because you was negligent. Alright, beauty, so that's really the entire look. Thank you so much for coming back and watching me again. It's been a really long time, but I have a ton more content for you. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have anything to say about this video, another video, or if you want me to drop my makeup look. I'm just so grateful for you guys being here. I hope you enjoyed.